Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the acceptance angle and its derivation. Okay, for this I am considering optical fiber and this consists of core, cladding and the surrounding medium is air. The corresponding refractive indices are N1, N2 and N0 and this is the core cladding boundary and this is the core axis. Acceptance angle means it is the angle of launching the light ray at the entrance of this core for which the angle of refraction inside the optical fiber is equal to 90 degree. That is, for this acceptance angle, the light ray travels along the core cladding boundary. Okay, so the angle of incidence at this entrance is equal to acceptance angle means here the angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree. Definitely the angle of incidence at this boundary is equal to critical angle. So acceptance angle means this is the angle of launching at this entrance of the optical fiber for which the light ray travels along the core cladding boundary and the angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so from this we can say some conclusions based on the acceptance angle. First one, when angle of incidence at the entrance of the fiber is equal to acceptance angle means the angle of incidence at the boundary is equal to critical angle and the angle of refraction inside the fiber is equal to 90 degree. And the second case, when angle of incidence at the entrance is less than acceptance angle means the angle of incidence at the boundary is greater than critical angle and the condition of total internal reflection will be achieved. And third case is the angle of incidence is greater than acceptance angle means the angle of incidence at the boundary will be less than critical angle and the light ray gets refracted through the cladding. So these are the possible cases when light ray incident at the entrance of the fiber. Okay, next one, derivation for acceptance angle. For this we are going to consider the Snell's law. Okay, so here we are going to consider the two medium. One is the surrounding medium, its refractive index is N0 and another one core medium because the light ray gets inserted into the core. So core medium is considered, its refractive index is N1. Okay, so according to Snell's law, N0 sin theta I is equal to N1 sin theta R. So instead of this theta I, we can write theta A. When the light ray incidence at an angle equal to acceptance angle means what about the angle of refraction? So this angle of refraction will be derived from the diagram. So we can draw this diagram from this one, that is just to consider this portion only. Okay, so suppose the light ray incidence at acceptance angle means definitely here incident angle will be critical angle and the angle of refraction will be 90 degree. Okay, so this one is 90 degree means this is also 90 degree. So just to look at this diagram, so this is 90 degree means this is 90 degree minus theta c because this is theta c and this is 90 degree and the remaining will be 90 degree minus theta c. And for this one, here this theta c means the opposite one will be theta c and here 90 minus theta c means here 90 degree minus theta c. So this 90 degree means this one will also 90 degree. So from this we can write the angle of refraction value. So here theta I is theta A means here. So this is the theta R. So this theta R value will be 90 degree minus theta C. So just apply this value in the Snell's law formula. Okay, so instead of this theta R we can write sin 90 degree minus theta C. Next one, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta C. Okay, then we can write this as same N0 sin theta A equal to N1 cos theta C. And for this we can write the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then cos theta equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so just apply this formula here. So square n1 into square root of 1 minus sin square theta c. Okay, then for the sin square theta c value, we can apply the formula of critical angle, that is sin theta c equal to n2 divided by n1. So apply this formula here. So n2 divided by n1 whole square, and in the next step we can simplify this one, that is n2 square divided by n1 square, and taking the LCM for this one means n1 square minus n2 square divided by n1 square, and we can take this n1 square from the square root, means we can write this as n1. So n1 divided by n1 gets cancelled, remaining will be square root of n1 square minus n2 square. Okay, and this is n naught sin theta a. From this sin theta a is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square divided by n naught, and finally we will get the acceptance angle of theta a is equal to sin inverse of square root of n1 square minus n2 square divided by n naught. So this is the expression for acceptance angle. Thank you.